look at this macaroni and cheese. Oh my God. It is going to be everything. It smells so good. And as my girl Stovetop Kisses would say on her channel, it's sopped up. Here we go. First bites for you.
We don't have to do it.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We have already got our video in progress here, trying a different formula. I'm making lip smacking macaroni and cheese. We have already started out by shredding our multiple cheeses. The full list of cheeses and ingredients will be in the description box below. We're going to crack a couple of eggs here to actually start building our custard. Always want to check your eggs, make sure there are no extra cracks in them, and you're feeling great about that. Hope everybody's staying safe this holiday season. If you're going to, be with your family, be smart about it. Wear your masks, get COVID tests before you get over there, and do all of that. And if everything's good to go, ring in the season. You could also try doing it virtually this year. Everybody makes dishes and makes their own individual meals and set up a Zoom meeting, and it sucks, but it is what it is right now. We're gonna add in some heavy cream to help base our custard, and we're gonna whisk all these ingredients together. Sometimes these little buggers are so difficult to open. There we go. Pour the whole container in. A little better than bouillon chicken seasoning. This adds such a degree of flavor. I don't know what I was doing with my life before I discovered that little additive. All of my round bowls were in the dishwasher being washed currently, so I had to make it do what it do. You whisk everything together, make sure you beat your eggs together nicely. You don't want just, a scrambled egg in your macaroni and cheese. Right, and now we're going to boil our pasta using traditional elbow macaroni. All of our yummy cheeses. I love cheese. Used by my little cheese grater there. I need to invest in a box grater though. I trust you all have known how to boil pasta, so we've done that off camera, and then we've added in our butter. Adding in our seasoning, just a little bit of salt, a little bit of cracked black pepper,
We don't have to do anything.
a little more bouillon,
The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little
and just
bit
kiss it with
closer,
a half a cup of milk. That'll keep your noodles from sticking together. And you want to go ahead and start your stirring process. Also remember to cut your heat off at this point in time. Your noodles will actually hold heat for quite some time, and it'll help you get everything together when it comes to melting your cheeses.
Just wait. Let me drive you crazy. My cuddle baby.
All right, we're gonna add in half of our cheese.
Stay. Let's get stupid lazy. My cuddle baby. Don't
There
stop,
you go,
this is my
and
favorite.
we'll continue stirring. Lots of stirring for macaroni and cheese. Lots of stirring. Your forearms will definitely get a workout.
Imagination is running wild.
And if, as you make your dish, you find that the macaroni and cheese is too solid, even though the cheese is in there working its magic, feel free to add a little bit more milk. Because we're going to bake all this anyway, so it's all just going to do its thing together. Adding in our custard. Ooh, custard. And don't worry, like I said, we're gonna bake all this, so all the raw egg will be gone, and it will act as our binding agent. Because cheese works miracles, but you know, macaroni and cheese needs a little love. And there's nothing wrong with like boxed macaroni and cheese or instant. That's just not something that we grew up with in my family. So this is how I choose to rock it in my vintage years. Yes, I said vintage. Don't at me. I can see here after adding all of my cheese that I'm going to need to add more cheese. Because, you know, the cheesier the better. And like Luther Vandross said, never too much, never too much, never too much cheese. Yeah, I'm an R&B head. Don't judge me. Got all that goodness off of the side of that. I did want to take a second just to say thank you everybody for rocking with me in the kitchen. I know it's been a trying time, but I'm so happy that we are growing and together and evolving together. And a special big shout out to all those fans who've been with me since day one. I wholeheartedly appreciate you. You know, the pan's really hot right now, so we're using our ladle to get all the macaroni and cheese in. And, you know, every now and then I'm bold. I'll grab my pot holders and actually just pour the rest in the pan, but I don't know why I made this so difficult on myself instead of just turning around the sheet pan. There you go. I don't know about y'all, but macaroni and cheese is literally my go-to side dish for just about everything, but especially Thanksgiving. I didn't grow up really having the opportunity to celebrate a lot of holidays, but any reason to get your family together and break bread is a reason and a half to me to celebrate. Coming from a big family, we had lots of big like Sunday dinners and just because gatherings, and I don't live near my family anymore, so now I make all of the family dishes that I grew up loving. Of course, I had to put my own twist on them, but you do what you can do. As you can see, I did shred some more cheese on the top off camera there and just spread it out evenly so we were good to go. I don't know what that was, but we'll get that out of the way. Alrighty, now we have preheated our oven to 350 degrees. We are going to bake this macaroni and cheese. We'll peek in to see all that bubbly goodness. Oh, look at that. You can't tell me you were not ready to dive up in that mac and cheese, baby. Oh, look at that mac and cheese. Just because I love this part. Yummy. Cheesy goodness. Sopped up. And there you have it, friends. Delicious lip-smacking macaroni and cheese. If you like this video or found any tips that I've used to be beneficial to you in any way, please do me a favor and smash that like button. Think about subscribing to the channel. Enjoy your time with your loved ones. Take this time to get to know you all over again. I love you all so much. Happy holidays. Stay safe. Be smart. Share love. Look at this macaroni and cheese. Oh my God. It is going to be everything. It smells so good. And as my girl Stovetop Kisses would say on her channel, it's sopped up. Here we go. First bites for you. Wow. Like, really? Why do I do this to myself? I'm supposed to be working out and working on my standardization, but when the spirit moves you, it moves you. And the spirit of the macaroni and cheese says, eat me, my child. That's it. Y'all already know. I can't even continue to speak, so I'm gonna see y'all next week. You take care of yourself while I devour this here macaroni and cheese.